What's the meaning of blue crane? Blue crane. Blue crane.
Blue crane. Blue crane. The term blue crane can refer to a few different things, depending on the context. In the animal kingdom, the blue crane is a species of bird found in southern Africa, known for its striking blue-gray plumage and distinctive dance displays during courtship. In the construction industry, a blue crane is a type of mobile crane that is used to lift heavy loads and materials. In some cultures, the blue crane is also a symbol of grace, elegance, and loyalty. Overall, the term blue crane is associated with themes of strength, beauty, and reliability.